Welcome to BOC, the UK and Ireland's largest supplier of industrial gas. We are proud to offer our customers a one-stop solution for all their gas supplies and equipment needs. Our BOC deerskin TIG gloves are a good example of how we can support your business in every way, with high-quality, expertly designed products. These gloves provide a close fit as well as superior sensitivity during the TIG process. They mould to the shape of your hand to achieve that ideal fit, whilst the high-quality deerskin allows greater flexibility than many other materials. Along with the extra flexibility, they're immensely durable too. The gloves are sewn with super tough Kevlar, and to avoid abrasion, there's a side patch on the small finger. The deerskin leather also means these gloves deal with temperature better. They're cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter than other options. And even if you get them wet, they still keep their shape. Finally, these gloves conform to the latest safety standards. Buy your BOC TIG gloves at the BOC online shop. You'll find plenty of expert advice and thousands of other products all in one place. Simple, fast, direct to you. Thanks for watching.